Low stomach acid. What are the 3 best ways how you can fix your low stomach acid and improve your digestion and your overall health? My name is Peggy Schirmer from peggyschirmer.com. Welcome to Gut Feelings, the channel to support you to heal your digestion so you have all the energy you need to bring your gifts into the world. Let's dive right into it. 3 ways to improve your stomach acid to really build that up again. Now, if you haven't watched the video about why most of us are deficient in stomach acid and not produce too much stomach acid, and this is really like 80-90%, the older you get, the less stomach acid you produce. I've linked you a video up here where I discuss that. Also symptoms, if you have symptoms like heartburn, acid reflux, SIBO, acne, all kinds of skin conditions, digestive problems, nutrient deficiency, they can all be related to having low stomach acid. Also brain fog because of the neurotoxins that get released from undigested foods. Have a look at that video up here and find out what is that all about at stomach acid. This is for the more advanced ones who already know they have low stomach acid and you want to get right into action and you want to improve it. All 3 of these ways are supplement free, they are just natural foods and you can incorporate them just from the start right now. Start somewhere and you're going to see an effect pretty quickly. So way number 1 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar taken before the meals helps your body to digest the foods better, and it also helps to rebuild the natural stomach acid, which is very different from the bacterial overgrowth that you have, which also produce acids in your body. How to do that? You use 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, a raw, unfiltered, organic apple cider vinegar. Don't worry, it's not really expensive. Here in Germany, it's like $1.50 for the whole bottle, and that's almost a liter. And what you do, you take 1 tablespoon, here you go, in a tiny bit of water, put the apple cider vinegar in there, looks like that, and then you drink it 20 minutes before you eat something. Yeah, so 3 times a day. 20 minutes before your main meals, that makes 3 tablespoons per day. It's pretty acid, so it doesn't taste really great, but it really works. It helps your digestion to improve and to digest the food better. Also contains natural enzymes and stimulates the cells in your stomach to produce better stomach acid so you can improve your digestion. Cheers. I recommend to try this out for 1 week. So do 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar 20 minutes before you eat something, and after that week you're going to decide if you see improvements, then keep going. Second tip, how to improve your stomach acid if you have low stomach acid, is celery. Yes, there we go. The best way to use celery and really speed up this healing process is the best tip you're ever going to hear. How to improve your digestion and really strengthen your overall health is to take all this thing, the whole thing, yes, that's about 800 grams to a kilo almost, and you put it in a juicer. Yes, you're gonna juice the whole thing and you drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. For me personally, it's a bit too hardcore. I did that for a week and then I changed to drinking it before going to bed, because then the most important thing is that you have an empty stomach. So either straight first thing in the morning, juicing really the whole thing, or before you go to bed, have 1 celery juiced once a day is enough. And what that will do for you is celery contains certain mineral salts. This is not known by most health practitioners. It's still in the guerrilla movement. And these mineral salts actually help to rebuild the stomach acid. Our stomach acid is not just made of 1 acid, it's made of a blend of acids. So it's important to restore the missing acids, and the best way to do that is through the mineral salts of celery. They're really particular, it's really taken as a medicinal food. Also, when you do the juicing, don't put anything else in there. No water, no apple, no carrot, no ginger, nothing. It's really, this is not like a fancy detox juice, it's like a medicine. And it's going to work wonders. It's also helping with weight loss, having a clearer mind, having more energy, improving your overall digestive health, works against candida as antiviral. You know, I could just talk about celery all day long. So try it out 1 week. Buy 7 of these celery bunches. I know you might not enjoy the taste the most if you're not a super salty person, but it's going to work wonders for you. Just try it out, don't think about it. And way number 3 is ginger root. Now, ginger root is also an all-round talent, but especially it can help you to fight off the bad bacteria that often overtakes the stomach acid. So people who have digestive issues or heartburn, the acid that comes up is not stomach acid. This is bacterial acid. It's coming from bad bacteria that are proliferating in your stomach lining. Ginger is doing its best job to fight against these bacteria and to also provide you with digestive enzymes, which help you digest foods better. So the way to include, it's also antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal. It's a great painkiller. So if you have any kind of pain in your body, the women, menstrual pain, helps to decramp, releasing crampings. Motion sickness is a big one. So know that if you include that, you not only rebuild your stomach acid, you're also gonna balance the rest of your body and really do yourself a favor. Now there are two ways how you can use ginger root. The first one is you can juice it, and here it's okay to put in some carrots, for example, or some apple. That's all right. You can do that throughout the day. It doesn't have to be on an empty stomach. Often people feel a bit upset if they drink like ginger just on an empty stomach. And put in ginger, especially it needs to be raw. So if you just make ginger tea, that's also nice. It's also helping with decramping, but you don't have the enzymes because they're dead of the hot water, and you're also losing some vitamins. So best way to use it is raw, juiced together with carrots or apple. Or second alternative, if you don't have a juicer, then you could peel a piece of ginger, and then it's going to be a bit hardcore for you. Sorry guys, I did that for several years when I didn't have a juicer. So what you do is you take the ginger root, you peel it, and you take around half of your thumb size. Yeah, like this. This is the piece of peeled ginger that you're going to chew. So the technique is ginger chewing, hardcore. You're going to be so healthy. And it's so antiviral. Also, if you have any colds, it kills off everything. And what you do, you take this root, you have your glass of water next to you, then you put it in your mouth and you chew it really, really fast. Yeah, so it's important to chew it like that. Then you crush all the cells, you activate the enzymes, and then you just swallow the rest. You drink water with it because it gets hot in the mouth. And you're going to do that twice per day and also for 1 week, and enjoy the improvements that you make. Okay guys, summary, the 3 things how to improve your stomach acid, to really build that stomach acid up fast and also enjoy the other health benefits are: first, apple cider vinegar 3 times per day, 3 tablespoons before your meals. Second, using celery juice in the morning on this empty stomach, or just before you go to bed on an empty stomach, once per day, the whole bundle. And number 3, using ginger either as part of a juice or straight directly for the advanced ones to do ginger chewing twice per day. Thank you for watching guys. There are much more videos all about how you can improve your digestion. Check that out. I'm gonna link that here for you. And if you care about your body, you like these videos and you like to stay in touch, I'd love to welcome you in the Gut Feelings community. Just hit the subscribe button here, my logo, and we're gonna see each other in the next video. Have a lovely day. I see you soon. Bye.